Attorney General Justin Muturi norĩtie atongoria batige kuinyiria ati mbeca cia thirikari iria nyingi ciite makaunti, akiuga kiria kibatere kuthithwa ni atongoria baba gutarĩrĩria utumiri bwa mbeca iria tayari barikitie kwamukira. Nongerete na kuga atongoria baingi kinya ni boritwe gwikinyia mbere ya Senate na gutarĩrĩria utumiri bwa kigina kiria kiri kaunti-ini ciao biuria birakinya baremi kubichokia.
Attorney General wa bururi niwe Justin Muturi ni urutite mavetia atongoria aria mambiritie miario ya uria utonga wa bururi wagirirwo gukorwa ukigairwa kaunti ngurani kuringana na wingi wa andu. Muturi arauga kuma thirikari cia matura ciambiririe miaka 11 mivituku mbia nyingi ni ithiete thiini wa kaunti ngurani na gutire utheri wonekanaga kuonania uria mbia ino ikoretwo igitumika.
Mheshimiwa Ruku has just explained about expenditure of resources. Zile pesa ambazo tumepatia kila county, tunataka we need a conversation on how prudently those resources have been applied for the last 11 years since the advent of devolution. We are seeing a lot of improvement in many counties, but there's a lot of disquiet about expenditure of public resources in very many counties.
Guku akiuragia mbunge nene na ire ya Senate gukorwa magikathika mawatho ma kuvurana na atongoria aria makoragwa makigwatwa wanakana gukuirwa gukorwa magitumira mbia cia mwingi nae.
Perhaps also Parliament and particularly the Senate should now come out and tell us how have we fared? How have we fared in the last 10 years? Because kila siku unasikia gavana fulani ameitwa kule, unaona anapigwa picha na hao watu lakini akimaliza hapo sijui mambo hiyo inaishia hapo. We need to ask, the Senate must justify its existence.
Waugu Muturi ni urenda thirikari cia matura gukorwa na wigiririki na mbia iria maunganagia thiini wa kaunti ciao, kuona kaunti nyingi monekaga magitia mbia kuma thirikari nene kutheri.
We seem to have also completely ignored the fact that apart from the national resources that comes through the shareable revenue formula, there is also own source revenue. Serikali zetu za magatuzi si bado wanakusanya wanarokota kondi zao pia huko. How is that money being applied? Kwa sababu kila mmoja ni ile tu kila mmoja ile serikali kuu mpaka saa zingine wasikia wakisema sasa tusipopata pesa hii atiyakuta kuwa mshahara ya wafanyikazi wa county government. Na zile mnakusanya kwani hazitoshi?
Muturi aritie miarino thiini wa cukuru wa sekondari wa Kavengero thiini wa gicigo mbunge kia Mberi Iguru kuria kurai na mambura ma gucangithia mbia cia gukiriria gikiro gia cukuru uyu. Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.